Hi dear folks, today's Leetcode challenge is longest substring without repeating characters. In this problem, input is a string consists of English letters, digits, symbols and spaces. Output, what we have to determine is the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Example of input is ABC, abcbb. Output is 3, which means longest substring without repeating characters is ABC and its length is 3. We can use sliding window approach, and in respect to data structure we can use hash map. Time complexity of this approach will be On. Space complexity in this approach will be On. Let's quickly move ahead with the solution. Base case will be when length of string is less than 2. In that scenario, we can return just length of string as output. Now, in order to start with sliding window approach, these are the steps which needs to be followed. Moving ahead, we can use start and end variable pointing to index 0. Apart from this, we should also declare hash map as data structure, where key will be a character and value will be its index in the given input string. We can start iterating over the string till value of end variable is n. N represents the length of the given input string. And we should check for few of the conditions which I am gonna explain. Firstly, for all characters we will update the map with latest occurrence index. For example, for string ABC, BB, in hash map we'll put key as character A and value as 0. Similarly, for key B, value will be 1, and for key C, value will be 2. After this, if character at end index is already present in the map and its values lies between start and end, that is, value of index is greater than or equals to start and value of index is less than end, this means it's a repeating character in the substring. Let me explain this with the help of an example. Let's assume my end index is 3 and start index is 0. Here in input string ABC, abcba, abcbb, character at index 3 is what? It's A and is already present in map. If we'll see, it's already present in map. In this scenario, firstly we'll calculate the length of the substring using formula will be end minus start, and here it will comes out to be end is what? End is 3 and start is what? 0. So end minus start, which is equals to 3. Then we need to find the maximum value between length and resultant max variable. So value of length is 3 and initial value of resultant max variable is 0. So the maximum between these two values is 3. Also in this scenario, we'll update the value of start for next iteration. Now we have calculated one substring. So for further scenario, we'll update the value of start, which is equals to index plus 1. Here index represents the value of repeating character in hash map. In this scenario, value of start will be, what's the index of 1 in hash map? It's 0. So start value will be 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. So after all these, it's a mandatory step that we need to update value of key a equals to 3 in hash map. So that's the conditions to be included in the loop. Also, we need to handle one more scenario where my resultant substring includes the last character of string. For example, for string abcd, here the output string is, here the output substring is abcd. For this scenario, what we need to do is, after iteration, that is after the while loop, we just need to calculate the length again using the same formula and minus start, and need to compare with the resultant max variable using simple math function math.max. That's it for the solution. I have implemented the same logic and it's also accepted by Leetcode. That's the end of this video. I would like to thank you for watching this video.